Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, Libras, we are picking few cards. So these cards may relate to your career situation and your relationship, guys. So if you want a more detailed reading, you can watch that pick a card love reading I have at the end of this general energy. So let's see what are these cards, guys. It is 5 of Cups in reverse, Page of Pentacles and 8 of Wands. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Libras, you are putting in lot of efforts. It may be in your career or it may be in this relationship. You are using your skills, talents, proceeding towards something, towards some path you have chosen for yourself, and you are rushing towards some greater growth in life. So it may be something in your career. This may be the first step towards some great opportunity in your life, some undertaking. So it may be something in your career situation or something to do in your personal life. So you are working towards that deep meaningful connection, maybe, guys. And you are a very practical person. You know what works well for you in this love, in this connection, and you are humble. You have that compassion in your heart, and you are in this connection, maybe for some of you, maybe, guys, for that physical aspect of this connection. So you love this person, you have a great attraction towards them. So maybe that may be the reason you are with them. You have not yet decided on this love. You are in this connection. Maybe you think of this love as a thing for enjoying, having that happy time with this person. So you are still thinking, maybe you are new to this person, so you are trying to understand them. So you are a very practical person. You are still thinking, questioning yourself whether this connection will work, so whether this relationship will work. So you are in this connection, you are trying to build that understanding, know about them, and then take that next step. So you are waiting for that right time, guys. And I also see that maybe for some of you, your past person has come back to you. So you are still thinking whether to go with that person you already know so well, or try this new person, be with them, try this love. So you are still deciding which way to go. So some news or some message or this person itself is coming towards you. So that has brought in a situation, some kind of confusion and doubts in your situation, guys, Libras. So you are thinking past love or new love. What is it? What is it? What is the right thing for you? So that is what I see with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile you want to choose, you can close your eyes, think of your situation for a few seconds, and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. That way that reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. Let's start with the first card. So this is your first card. I will keep this card aside. So I will pick few cards from this deck. So let's see what is coming up with this deck, guys. These are the cards. So any questions or any doubts you have in your situation, you can think about it, guys, and I will see the cards and we will start the reading now. So it is 9 of Moons, the Empress, and Ace of Suns in reverse. So it may be in your situation, guys, someone, it may be a woman, it may be your close friend, or it may be your sister or mother, who has that true concern on you, love for you, and they are coming to help you. They are offering help, supporting you. Maybe they are helping you in this connection, bringing that understanding between you and this person. And she is a very kind and compassionate person, and they are influencing you in a positive way in this for this relationship. Or this may be your person, this may be the energy, their energy. So they are influencing you in a very positive way, so for all the good things. So this person is giving you valuable suggestions, guys, what you need to do. And maybe they are suggesting few things because certain things are not going right in your situation, guys. So it may be some difficulties in your business, or some difficulties in your personal life, maybe some illness, or it may be some financial situation in your career. So they are giving you valuable advice and support for that. So things are not going so well in your career, maybe for some of you, and this person is helping you out. And I also see that your problems are getting solved because of the way they are helping you, and you're proceeding towards success in your life, guys, success in your situation. And you have that clarity in your mind today because of this person. So with their help, you are able to clearly identify what is the reason for troubles and how you can rectify it. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So that is the reading with these cards. So let's see what is coming with these cards, the other set of cards. Here we have a few other cards to pick from this deck for the second deck. So for those who have chosen this deck, let's pick few cards. These are the cards, guys. So any doubts or any questions you have in your mind, you can think about it, and I will open these cards now. So let's see. It's Magician, Six of Fire, and King of Earth. I hope you can see the cards here. So in your situation today, guys, you have excellent skills and talents in your life, but you may be having some intuition about certain things. So when you are with this person, You may feel a particular way. You're in your heart of hearts. You may have some guidance, what you need to do, and what is your next, what is the right direction. So when you have that intuition, you should listen to it, guys. And maybe when you are with this person, or maybe even alone, you have overwhelming feelings in your heart. This connection is simply inspiring you towards better things in life, guys. So you have that trust on this person, and this person is influencing you in a very positive way. So all the good things that are there, this connection is pushing you towards that. It is bringing out your skills and talents, and your reputation is growing in other phases of your life, facets of your life, maybe in your career, or in general. When people see you now, they feel that you have changed so much. You have become more cheerful, confident, and skilled and talented. You are showcasing your skills and talents, and your reputation is growing. And you are a very compassionate person. You have that trust and faith on this person, and they also have that trust and faith on you. And you have that humility in your heart. So maybe with this person you have that that mutual love, respect, caring. So that may be the reason this connection is working for you guys, because of that kindness, compassion you have for each other. And this connection is influencing you in a positive way towards a greater growth in your life, in your career, and in your emotional state, in your spiritual state. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So that is the reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.